In this video, we're gonna talk about Cam Effects, an add-on that allows you to create realistic bokeh, dirty lens effects, and a lot more to bring even more realism to your renders. Developed by Bit Production, the creators behind some of the most popular Blender add-ons like Grassblade, Transportation, Vegetation, and others. And I highly recommend checking their add-ons because they just have a ton of value for Blender users. Cam Effects comes with 120 bokeh textures with a ton of control and customization to give your artwork a push in the right direction. Besides realism and cinematic aesthetics, these bokeh textures that Cam Effects add-on brings allow you to focus on the most important thing in an image or scene by driving your attention from a blurry background to the part where the action is taking place while your mind is in awe of the whole thing. The add-on allows you to achieve more realistic renders by allowing you to add imperfections. For example, you can add dust or lens dirt, which is something that is actually a factor in real-life photos or scenes. If you need to achieve bokeh effects, you need long lenses, since you can't do it with regular wide-angle lenses. The good thing is that the add-on helps you do that and offers a large number of bokeh textures to customize your 3D renders with ease. Furthermore, you have a lot of parameters that you can play around with. To start using the add-on, the first obvious thing you should do is to select the camera within the scene, or use a button that comes with the add-on called Add a Camera. To see the bokeh effect, you will need something that emits light, such as an object with an emission shader, an HDRI image, or light source. After that, you're gonna go to the add-on window and activate the bokeh checkbox. This allows you to access a long list of different sets of shapes depending on what you need. For example, we have options like 10 blades, 5 blades, 8 blades, and so on and so forth. And inside each list, you have multiple options. More bokeh shapes we have include abstract, demi-round, funny, regular, squared, and so on. Some of these settings you have with bokeh include the ability to control hue, saturation, and value of the materials if you want to control how they visually look. You can also control scale and rotation, which are self-explanatory, in addition to distance, which can give you good enough distance from the camera if you need it. Furthermore, you have camera settings such as focus object and focus distance, which determines the area of the sharpness. Also, we have f-stop in addition to ratio, which is gonna give you new interesting shapes that you can play around with. There are also other settings like exposure, gamma, and so on. Furthermore, the add-on has the ability to add lens dirt. This is important, as we said before, to add realism to your scenes and shots. Under lens dirt, you can see a bunch of lens dirt texture options you can choose from. The settings you have when it comes to this section include the scale of the texture, color, opacity, and so on, in addition to scale, rotation, and distance. The lens dirt in particular can allow you to generate very interesting results, especially with the combination of bokeh effect. But you can use each effect separately depending on the project you are working on. If you are interested in this add-on, you will find the necessary links in the description. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can also check some of our previous videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.